How to buy bunny and forget token. So this token came under the symbol of BNF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token is created 3 hours ago and is increased by 353% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 100% as many investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 4 in the screener right now. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Now open your fund wallet for that. And after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redact Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippers from here on customer, because the most of issues keep from the slippers, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy BNF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.